It's Deborah here from BodyGarbage, and today we'll be making banana bread pudding soap. And this is one of our last soaps that goes with our holiday dessert soap. So if you like to see how I make it, come along with me and let's get soaping. Hey bugs! So we are back, and I'm also out of gloves. I'm glad I have another box. Sorry about that, but at any rate, we are back. Today we're making banana pie soap, banana pudding soap. It's banana something. We have our bananas pureed. We have our base oils in the bucket. We have some kaolin clay, bentonite clay, goat's milk, yogurt, and I'm trying out a new recipe today. Since I was adding the purees and everything, I didn't want this to get too solid on me too fast. So we're just going to buzz this in, and I'll bring you guys back when it's time to pour in the lye. Okay, so we have our cooled lye solution. This has been sitting in the fridge overnight. And as I said before, this is water, about a little more than half of the water that I need. The other liquid was the goat's milk. But this is water. I have salt in here and sodium lactate. And it was a little discrepancy on why in one of my last videos as to why I was using salt and sodium lactate, meaning that they both harden your bar of soap. Now, with that being said, there is a method to my madness, and that's because you can only use but so much sodium lactate or but so much salt in your recipes anyway. I believe it's a teaspoon per pound of oils, and I make small batches of soap. But I also use a lot of vegetable oils in my soaps. So I want them to be as hard as possible, as quickly as possible. And that also helps me to release them from out of the mold. So hopefully that squares away any type of discrepancy as to why that I'm using both. But it just works for me, especially with me doing cold process soaps. With my hot process, I usually just added the salt because it took away a lot of the moisture, obviously, through the cook. So it would set up rather quickly anyway. So that's your explanation on why I use both sodium lactate and salt. But at any rate, let's get to making this soap. So we just poured in our lye solution, and we're going to mix this up. Hopefully it stays liquidy enough for me. I want to actually try the Clyde slide. I'm only using two colors today, and that's going to be white, which is going to be unscented, and then the yellow. And the yellow part, hopefully it stays yellow. We're going to be adding the banana puree to that, and we're also going to be adding some poppy seeds just to give it like a little extra pop for the soap. So I'll be right back. Everything is all good and emulsified, so we're going to pour some of what we have in this bucket in here. About half. And we're going to use this for not only the piping on top. Okay, now for the white portion of the soap, we have some titanium dioxide from Wholesale Supplies Plus that's mixed in with some distilled water, room temperature, and we're just going to buzz this in. hopefully we get a bright white. A little more creamy than I would like, so I'm going to pour in just a dash a little more. I don't know what the heck I'm saying, just a dash a little more, whatever. You know what I mean. Alright, bugs, so we're back. As you can see, our soap didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to originally, and that's okay. So now, instead of banana pudding or banana pie, as it states in the intro video, we have banana bread pudding. Now, fortunately for me, this actually looks like bread. So what I'm going to do, instead of piping, I'm just going to take our topping right here, and I'm just going to lay it down on this little textured top, just as if it were an icing. And that'll be our soap. We don't cry over spilled milk. We just go with the flow. So I'm going to take some of this on our spatula. And we're just going to drizzle it on as if it were really icing on a cake or something. Just nice and simple, straight down the middle. And as you can see with this particular recipe, this is not going to like set up anytime soon. So this is perfect for us. Alrighty folks, so we are back to cut our banana pudding or banana bread pudding soap. And as I said in the last video, I'm doing something a little different. So if you guys rather me talk and not have any music in the video, or if you like how I've been doing my videos with the music and talking, or just having music, please let me know. Like I said, I've been getting mixed reviews, so I just want to accommodate everybody as much as possible. And if you prefer it one way, then that's what we will do. So this is how the loaf is looking, and it's still a bit soft, just like the other one, because of the new recipe, which is fine. I wanted it to be a little more fluid. For the purpose of putting the purees and things in. I'm still at a water discount with this soap, and then I did like a little bit of a lye discount too. So with both of those, it kind of still has the soap still soft. But all of these soaps, the holiday dessert soaps, will be available November 15th. So that's your release date. So stay tuned for that, and you'll be able to buy the pumpkin bread, the banana bread pudding. Oh, and that cuts like butter. The banana bread pudding, and that really looks like a loaf of bread, and that's the icing on top. The banana bread pudding, the strawberry shortcake, the sweet potato pumpkin streusel or strudel, whichever you prefer to say. And then we also have our pineapple upside down cake. And along with that, we have our blueberry pie. And then there is, I'm trying to remember it all because it's a lot. Then we have our peppermint fudge sundae. And then after the peppermint fudge sundae, there was one more. We have our apple crunch pie. So all of those will be available November 15th in the Etsy shop, along with these ones. Well, this one that I'm cutting now. And I'm super proud with how these came out. I originally had a different design, but because the soap separated on me, it didn't work out as planned. But, you know, we always have to come up with plan A and plan B at the same time. And this was plan B, a go fly type of plan B. But there you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.